Hi YouTube, Roseannya here. I've received this parcel and I'm hoping it's a replacement ThinkPad for the ThinkPad that sadly had a broken trackpad. I've imported this machine from Germany, which is why it came with a Euro charger. When I saw the listing for this new ThinkPad L13 Gen 2 yoga version configured with a Ryzen 5650U, 16 gigs of RAM, sRGB pen tablet touchscreen, and 512GB of SSD, alongside 2 more years of Lenovo warranty, I couldn't say no. I feel that the case is quite nice and sturdy, but the metal lid tends to pick up fingerprints quite easily. The right hand side, you can see a power button, micro SD card slot, USB-A port, HDMI port, and a Kensington lock. On the left hand side, there are 2 USB-C ports, Lenovo's mini Ethernet port, a USB-A port, and a 3.5mm headset jack. Also, on the right side, there is a pressure-sensitive drawing pen, which will be quite fun to do some doodles with. The insides look brand new, and there's a camera above the keyboard for tablet mode, while the touchpad, not as nice as the Yoga 460, but plenty usable. It powers up just fine. Tablet mode seems to be working pretty good too. It seems that the Yoga line has now removed keyboard lock, which is a little disappointing, but the touchscreen and tablet input are both working perfectly. Compared to a normal L13, the Yoga version is identifiable from the 360-degree hinges. The 72% NTSC screen is stunning and much better than the 45% screen on the normal model. During filming, I noticed that the screen wouldn't always stay turned on after sleeping, while the rest of the system was running like normal. I tried to reboot and got an error code 0286, integrated graphics error. That's not good. This is where this video ends. Thankfully, I'm able to use the Lenovo warranty to get this laptop repaired, and Lenovo are ordering a new motherboard for this machine. Hopefully, with the new motherboard, this system will be up and ready to go. Till vi möts igen. Ha det!